guy. Today I have the brand new BMW M5 2020. So it's here for full PPF clear ground. I have to remove the taillight. I already did the taillight, and then now I have to remove the trunk lid light. So let's do it together. I will show you how to do it. Okay, the first things, moving that replica. All is the key. Just hold it and grab it to yourself. It will come out, and then with the door trim remover, removing those rivets. Because for get access to remove the taillight, first you have to remove the trunk cover. So, and then two here. Two more here into that small hole. Here is the part to get the rivet. Okay, there you go. And then you have to remove this cover. Also here have rivet too. Do it slow to not make the scratch. Car is brand new. And then after that, quickly my nail not going. Let me bring the another tool. Okay. With the small driver like that, always do the masking tape on it so not damage any part. Okay. Then put this one down. Also have another key. Okay, now we have to remove this part. Have a small tab, just unplug it. Those are sound is for the clip. Don't worry about it. Okay. So now you can see 3 socket. I think should be 8mm. BMW usually has 10 or 8mm. Have it here. Should you give me 3? Okay. and you have to unplug cable with your hand. Slow, push it up because I have the key here, so you have to do it slowly. Push it for two, those keys, especially those two. Okay, this is the way how you have to remove the BMW M5 or G30 series trunk tail light. Hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe my channel and share my video.